Hey guys, today we talk about how can you enable blank light notifications on your AnkiDroid app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next CPR. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on notifications. When you just click here on notifications, it's going to take you to next CPR. Come here to blank light, just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here blank light enable it with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.